What it do, YouTube? You know who it is, you know what it is, man. We're back in the layer that I like to call the east wing of the house, all the way in the back. So you know what that means, man. We got two more pickups from Lids. One from, well, actually both from lids.com. Had one delivered, one I had to go pick up in store. So stay tuned, man. We're gonna get into them. These are some fire. I ain't gonna lie to you, it's some fire, man. So stay tuned. We're gonna get right into it. Let's go. What it do, YouTube? Like I said, man, it's your boy Shawn.Stay.Fitted. Thanks for stopping through the channel, man. We got two new pickups from lids.com. I'm gonna get into both of them. One I actually got delivered to the house. You know, like I told y'all, man, I'm behind on packs. We're trying to get them things out at a steady pace. I think it's been a week, maybe two since the last video, but you know, trying to work around the schedule. I'm pretty sure anybody watching, or if you know how the video game work, you know what I'm saying, as far as YouTube, you know, you gotta put these up, watch the video, edit the video, you know, make sure it's to, you know, where you need it to be. And I actually don't do that much editing, but it's just time consuming when, you know, you got kids and you got things to do, man. So, but you know, that's another story for another time. We're gonna get into this first one. This was the one delivered to the house. Definitely was waiting on this one, and it's funny how I actually come to acquiring this one. When I went actually inside to Lids, I actually saw the store manager there. I forgot his name. I talk to him every day. Got the red-headed cat, man. He's a funny dude though, but he always hit me and let me know when there's something drop. You know what I mean? That may be new that I want to pick up because he knows I'm a premium member. So I have a whole lot of those $10 off rewards. I think I'm up to like, I want to say maybe 7 right now, 6 or 7 of them. So, you know, he hits me up just in case I want to grab some if they have a size 8 in there. And this one particularly, he didn't have a size 8 in the store, but he was actually wearing one, and I just knew I had to have it. And I looked online for like 2 weeks straight, and they didn't have it. And it just so happened I went on there one time, and it had where you can actually click on a size 8 because they had it. And it came, because you know, they either send it from the warehouse if they new releases, or they'll find it at a store and they'll send it out to you. I mean, for anybody who knows how the lid game work. So, but let's get into it, you know, while I'm talking. But yeah, this one was a definite must-have for the collection, man. All right, receipt, of course. Don't need to worry about all that. But yeah, this is the New Era Retro Classic Turn Ahead the Clock edition. And oh yeah, take a look at that. Seattle Mariners logo. Now this here, fire logo, man, had to have this. And then the colorway with that kind of like burgundy, like maroonish, definitely had to have it. And as you see, here goes your tag that came on the hat. Retro Classic Collection, 5950 Pro model. Yeah, man, that's him right there. Of course, you got your MLB logo on the back, and it has the maroon that actually goes into the hat. You know, usually, if I'm not mistaken, I think it's usually red, but it's the maroon color that actually matches into the hat. And this logo, man, the way it jumps off of the hat, like, I don't even know if you can see the embroidery the way it is. It's like the stitching on it, borderline. Sometimes, you know, the stitching can get kind of iffy and kind of suspect, but nothing loose here, man. This thing is on point. Like, I can't even complain about this one. Then let's go to under it. Got your Cooperstown logo under there. Got your retro that I just read off to you, the Retro Classic. Of course, you got your New Era. And you know, definitely no size 8, that's all I wear. So, I mean, the underbuilding of it, you know, it really would have said, I mean, it probably wouldn't have matched though, but I like the fitteds that have the green underbills, but this one pretty much matches the way it needs to. Of course, you got your gold steel stamp of approval. Yeah, this one is good to go. Definitely good to go. This immediately jumps to the top 5 of the collection just off the logo alone. Just my opinion, you know. One day I'll get around to doing a collection video, and then you guys can decide, you know what I mean? Oh, and also off subject, the last video I did for those Bluetooth earbuds, I am still gonna give those away. Just gotta figure out how I'm gonna give them away. because I pretty much have no use for them. So stay tuned for something dropping on that. Probably not in this video, probably the next video, because my next video is probably going to be another tech video that I actually got in from Amazon too. Like I said, I'm trying to pump these out, man, as fast as I can. But like I said, stay tuned for that and probably the next video, because I'm definitely giving those away. But that's it. Seattle Mariners, turn ahead the clock, retro classic. Gonna jump into the next one, man. Don't want to hold y'all up. Like I said, I know everybody's time is precious time. Now this one here, I said that was automatic top 5. I don't know how you want to say it, but this one is kind of in a league of its own. Literally a league of its own. Now, anybody know, and shout out to my boy Trenz Unltd. I chop it up with him a lot. We both collect hats. We both collect kicks. You know what I'm saying? I haven't did a kick video in a long time. Let me know if I need to do another kick video down below. Maybe I need to go hit me a Foot Locker or something. Just, you know, haven't been, you know, I got like 1 million I don't wear now. But yeah, let me know how you feel about that. But shout out to him. We was talking about minor league teams and minor league logos. Like, in my opinion, just looking at a lot of minor league logos, definitely feeling them better than the pro baseball, the MLB logos. And this one, when I seen it, hands down, had to have it. I grabbed it soon as it released, and I'm just now getting to it, so it's probably not a new release now, but as soon as this came out, had to cash out for it. This one was I had to pick up in store also, because it wasn't free delivery on it, but receipt again. And this one here, when I look at it, oh man, it's crazy. Came in the plastic, so let's get it up out of there. And like I said, usually I'm assuming when they send from the warehouse, they always pack it in plastic. Get a little dust off of there. Oh yeah, this one right here is the truth. League of its own, hands down. Just looking at it makes me laugh, man. The Montgomery Biscuits. How don't you love this hat, man? Like, I'm speechless. I have nothing to say. Who doesn't love a biscuit? Look at this logo, though, man. Check that out. I mean, he looked like a stack of pancakes, but it's the Montgomery Biscuits. And I was talking to my guy, like I said, Trenz Unltd. He was saying he likes to give a lot of background on the hats and everything. I'm not a baseball guy. Definitely wouldn't be a minor league baseball guy, but I can admit I don't know anything about this team, but this logo, hands down, league of its own, man. I mean, just come on, how you don't, I mean, it's a biscuit, bro. Like, how you don't like that? You feel me? And then the color is almost like a cooked biscuit color, almost. Like, it's crazy right now. But of course, you got your gold steel stamp of approval. You know how that go. And we open it up. Of course, you got your minor league logo on the back. Your little biscuit brown over there that goes into the logo. Of course, you got your new era flag. Can't forget about that. Now we're about to go under the hood, man. As you see, you got your minor league patch there. Of course, you got your new era. And you know you got that size 8. But hey, if anybody watched this video and they got some history, drop it to me on this hat, because I'm definitely feeling this hat. I would love to know the background on this hat, or how it works, or how they came about this. It's a biscuit, man. It's a biscuit. I literally have no idea what I'm gonna wear with this as far as just color wise. I mean, I'm pretty sure I can throw something together navy wise, but bro, you can look at this hat and you get the smile on my face. It's a biscuit. That's all I can keep saying, man. But Montgomery Biscuits, minor league team, man. So that's all I got for y'all today. Montgomery Biscuits, turn ahead the clock, Seattle Mariners, and 2 dope pickups. Definitely got more on the way as far as fitteds. Like I said, my next video will probably be more tech. A little something I got in from Amazon. Trying to spread it all out, but just stay with me, man. Like I said, collection video will be coming soon when I put that together. We got more fitteds. We got more tech coming. And like I said, let me know down below, because I'm pretty sure, you know everybody does kicks. I got 1 million of them. Hell, I might go look at some of the ones I got that I haven't even wore yet and just redo those again and just see how to style them with my kicks. You know what I mean? I mean, my fitteds. So, I mean, I might look into that too. Let me know, man. I'm open for all ideas, man. I might do my kicks and my fitted. Like, when I get a new fitted, I might try to match it with some kicks, or match it with some kicks I already got. So, you know, I'm just open to anything, man. So, I mean, we'll see what happens. But like I said, that giveaway on them earbuds, that'll definitely be coming in the next video, since that next video will be a tech video. So like I said, man, it's your boy Shawn.Stay.Fitted. Appreciate y'all for sticking through the video. That's a biscuit, man. But I'm out of here, man. This your boy, man. Thanks for watching. Let me know down below what you think about the pickups, man. Like, comment, definitely subscribe. Still trying to get to that 1,000 subscribers. I think we over 800 now, so definitely hit that thumbs up and hit that like, man. It's your boy. One more time. Crazy. I'ma holla at y'all, man. Gone.